viewers, today we're going to review this mosquito fly catcher. It doesn't actually kill them, but just catch them and store them right down here. So let me just put this down. There you go. So very simple concept,
Mama.
and it's powered by USB.
Mama, baby here.
So powered by USB. So if you've seen my last video, you've seen this one, a solar panel power pack. So we're going to power it using that. And just in case you're wondering what we're doing, we're having another barbecue. The great outdoor. It's a nice country park. Say hello to viewers.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, sorry. Yes. So barbecue there. Right, back to this. So let's open the lid. There's actually not a lot of flies here today compared to usual. So let's see if this works. I know indoor it works. I've done it usually at home before. But let's see if it works outside. So let's plug it in. And it came on straight away. It's got this, you can't really see it, but it's got this blue light there to track the mosquito and fly. It's gone. You can hear it. It's not very loud. We actually had it on all night when we were sleeping, just to catch them. And then in the morning, you just basically empty that outside and just let them free. No killing involved. It's just the light that captured them. So we'll come back and see if we caught anything, but there's really no flies today, so let's see. Okay, so we'll finish our barbecue. Everything's finished, so I don't think much happened here. Don't think we captured much because there wasn't really that much fly going on today, but let's take it out and have a look, see if we caught anything. Oh, we caught one. I don't know if you saw that, it just flew out. So we caught one and it immediately just flew out. I don't know if you saw that one. So there's only one. So you see that blue light now? You see that little blue light? Hopefully you can just see it. There you go, you can see it better now as I put my hand over it. So you can see that, that's the blue light. So that's it. These things are really cheap from eBay, and it does actually work. I've used it at home, so it does work, but there's just no fly today here. But otherwise it does capture those little flies, and it stores down there. You can just release it at a later date. But yeah, so it's quite good, and it can powered by this. And obviously also charging my phone right now. So, and I showed you last time, I actually got light there as well, so I could turn it into a torch. See? Turn it into a powerful torch. Turn it into a powerful torch. And it's pots, so it's working and charging at the moment at the same time. So you can see that. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.